Still begging Google for traffic like it's your ex who blocked you? Tired of refreshing stats and seeing a proud number 0 every single day? What if you could slap your link into a system once and it sends you real buyer traffic daily, even while you nap like a professional? Today, I'm reviewing a Black Friday deal that gives you exactly that for just $1. Hey friends, Kamal here from testedapps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years now. I've tried almost every method to get traffic. Some worked, some made me cry into my coffee. So when I find something that actually sends consistent clicks without making us do 1,000 tasks per day, I pay attention. Today, I'm giving you a full review of the $1 Black Friday bundle. I'll show you what it is, how it works, who it's for, whether it's worth your money, and of course, my personal bonuses that will help you actually make profit, not just collect tools like Pokemon. I've put together exclusive bonuses for you that turn this $1 traffic machine into a commission-generating system. The link is below this video. Do not forget to grab them before checkout because my bonuses are limited and I'm not joking. What is $1 Black Friday bundle? This is Dawood Islam's biggest traffic bundle of the year. You give them any URL you want, whether it's your affiliate link, YouTube video, website, opt-in page, whatever, and they send you daily traffic from 3 high-performing rotators. One of them is brand new, created especially for this launch, and right now it's basically empty. That means early users get the traffic feast before the crowd arrives. This is perfect for you if you don't have a list, you don't want to make videos, you don't want to pay for ads, you want traffic without learning 20 new skills. In short, this is hands-off traffic for normal humans. The setup is basically a 3-step IQ test, and trust me, you will pass. Step 1, grab your access. It is literally $1. Step 2, submit your link. Just paste, no technical wizardry required. Step 3, sit back and let the daily traffic flow in while you binge Netflix or pretend to work. I've seen complicated traffic systems in my time. This one is like microwave popcorn. Press button, enjoy. Let's go into why this matters. You get real buyer traffic every day, not random bot traffic from Mars. Works in any niche. 0 SEO required, even though I love SEO and will still give you SEO bonuses. No posting on social media unless you want bragging rights. Traffic keeps coming forever, not a one-time spark that dies. You skip the painful learning curve that usually destroys confidence. And the biggest benefit? You finally stop guessing and start getting visitors that buy. This one makes me laugh. Most traffic services charge monthly fees. There are tools right now charging $47 per month, $97 per month, even $197 per month just for traffic. You stop paying, traffic dies. This $1 Black Friday bundle? $1. One time, daily traffic continues. If I launched something like this myself, I wouldn't give it away for $1. This is a steal. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Now look, I know there's all sorts of offers at this time of the year on Black Friday, but believe me, nothing beats the $1 Black Friday bundle. Because what we're offering you with this product is the opportunity to place any URL of your choice on 3 different traffic rotators for unlimited daily traffic every day for the next 12 months. We've never had an offer like it before. Just think about it. $1 single dollar gets you traffic from not just one traffic rotator, not just one traffic source, but 3 different traffic sources. Starting with the brand new traffic source that we've just discovered, and that is the $1 Black Friday bundle traffic. So every single day you will get traffic to any URL of your choice from this rotator. You'll also get traffic every day from our bestseller of 2025, which is Super Big 10 traffic. Again, traffic to any URL of your choice to this rotator. And to cap it all off, we're also going to give you traffic from our all-time bestseller, Place Your Link 25, our best-selling traffic product that has now sold almost 5,000 copies. We're going to give you traffic from that every day as well, that amazing traffic source that includes some of my own personal traffic from my own personal mailing lists. Put it all together, and providing you pick it up during this Black Friday launch period, you'll be able to get all of that for $1 single dollar. Daily traffic from the $1 unlimited daily traffic from the $1 Black Friday bundle rotator, daily traffic from the $1 Super Big 10 traffic rotator, and daily traffic from the Place Your Link 25 rotator. All of that for just one single dollar to any URL of your choice. We've never done an offer like it before. You'll never see another Black Friday offer like this one. So for just one single dollar, pick it up, get daily traffic to that URL of your choice every day for the next 12 months from those 3 different traffic sources. We'll see you inside the members area.
The OTOs. Brief and honest. OTO 1 Pro version. Get 5 extra links plus 7 more rotators. Great for people who want faster results. If you have multiple offers, go for it. OTO 2 Massive Traffic Bundle. This one gives you your own private rotator. Only your links rotate there. If you want hundreds of hits weekly, this is the one to scale with. OTO 3 Reseller Rights. You can sell this entire product like your own and keep all profit. Great if you want a product without building it. OTO 4 New Executive Club. Get early access to Dawood's future launches. Perfect for regular affiliates who want first mover advantage. OTO 5 Elite Academy Black Friday Bundle. High-ticket training. Work closely with Dawood. If you want a personal mentor and guaranteed launch, pick this. I plugged in one of my affiliate links and I started seeing hits within the same day. Consistent traffic that I didn't touch. As someone who spent years grinding SEO and building lists, this feels refreshing. It's like having a traffic sidekick working silently while I focus on profits. This is not a get-rich-quick push-button ATM. If you expect one click to magically buy you a private island, this is not for you. Traffic does not guarantee sales unless you put smart offers in front of the traffic. I'll help you with that inside my bonuses. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing real clicks and buyers coming in automatically. No stress, no complicated tools, just traffic feeding your business every single day. And next Black Friday, while everyone is buying new shiny things, your traffic system will still be working. But this price will not stay $1, and the rotators will get crowded fast. The sooner you get in, the more traffic you get. Click the link below and secure this before the price shoots up. If you got value from this review, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what offer you'll promote first. I reply to every comment, and remember to check the link below for my exclusive bonuses to unlock maximum profits. This is Kamal from testedapps.com signing off. Stop chasing traffic, let traffic chase you.